Hello guys, this is Zain and today I am going to show you how can you make a deep fake. So what actually deep fake is? Deep fakes are a synthetic media, which mean the media that has been generated from artificial intelligence. So let me show you the final output what we will be having after a few minutes. So this is our raw video. So first you have to download a video, download or record a video in which a face is focused like this, okay? And you should have a target photo. Like this time I have this, the picture of a Donald Trump where his face is focused. And another thing, your image have to be a square. So let me show you the properties. It's like let's click on details. Its dimension is 1100 by 1100. So your image can be of any size, but your dimension have to be 1100 by 1100. No, sorry, not 11 by 100 by 1100. It has to be square. So in which a face is focused. So finally, you'll be get output like this. Okay, so let's just begin. So as I told you that I have a raw video right now. So first thing is first that we have to crop this video down, and we have to crop it in a square. Okay, so we will do it online. So I will drop the link below in the description of this website. It's known as Clidio. So Clidio slash crop video. So let's choose a file, a raw file. Look, this is a raw file. Okay, you have to open it. So let's just crop it down into a 1:1 ratio. So 1:1 or 1:1, it's actually a square settings of cropping. So I just click on 1:1 and I just focused on the face. Okay, and these are the pixels. You can change it down, like if you want a high pixel, so just change it to 700. Sorry, the maximum is 720. So like this, but for me 556 would be enough, or 576 would be enough. Okay, so crop it down. So when you crop it, you just get a link which I have already downloaded here. Okay, look, you will be having a download link. Just download it from here. So this would be your a cropped video. Okay, so this is the mm, now this is the photo which has been cropped in square, and dimensions can be anything but in square. So now the fun part begin. So one more thing, you have to resize your cropped video, this cropped video, to the pixels of 256 by 256. Okay, for that there's another website, onlineconverter.com. So here you have to resize that that video. Okay, just choose the video. It is in the output. This is the video. So change the dimension, 256 by 256. Okay, because this is the requirement of deepfake. So just resize it. Don't worry, the further process is quite easy. Just once you have the pre-processed data, then it will be easy for you to work on. So wait. So now the video has been converted and we have the download link. Download from here the video and it will be converted into the 256 by 256 dimension. So let me show you. Okay, not this one. Look, it is in 256 by 256 dimension or frame. So what's next? Now you have already now you have this pre-processed data in the output folder, this video and this picture. So now you have to go to a link in the description below. Okay, that's a website called Colab, and that's a GitHub repository by the author himself of this deep fake paper, first order motion model for image animation. So when you are on this page, so just click on this. Yes, run anyway. Don't worry if it take time, but wait for it to be proceed. So now it have cloned the repository. So the next thing is run this one. Now run this one. Now you need an authorization code. You will go to your account, go to the account from which you want to be accessed this collab. So download this link. I mean copy this code, okay, and now paste it here. Okay, so press enter. Okay, now your Google Drive has been mounted to this collab. Okay, so now go to your Google Drive, click here on this link. So these are the sample which the deepfake already have. So you don't want these samples, you have your own. So just copy these two files, make a copy and go to your drive and paste it here. Okay, now we have these two files. Okay, so just make a new folder. Yeah, new folder with the name of deepfake. Okay, just create a folder and copy these both files in here. Just rename it for the sake of simplicity. Okay, and okay. Okay, now we have these both files. So the next thing is to download your files that are ready for to be processed. These files, these two files. So upload these files. Okay, now you have these two files. Okay. Okay, the one is trump.jpg and the second one is final.wmv. So go to your model or your code. So right here Look, you are in a content, Google Drive, My Drive, and the folder name is first order motion model. So, but here your folder name is deep fake. So change this right here, deep fake, and change the file name trump.jpg, jpg, and the second one is final. Just rename it, copy it from here. Okay, just paste it here. Okay, now everything's ready. Just load your both files. Sorry, one more thing to mention, that you can't use the WMV file in format. I have another copy of this. So upload any file, a video with .mp4 format. So I have one out there, the same video, but mp4 format. Okay, so just change that, the format in here, load your uh, Google Drive again, mount it again. So just play it. This final dot, what the heck. So just remove the redundant. Okay, I just renamed the name of my video. You cannot use WMV file format, so I just uploaded another one with MP4 format. Okay, so this is my video name again. So let's run it. Okay, now it's loading. So this first piece of code will just show your target image and your raw video. Okay, just like this. Look, both are in the same dimension, 256 by 256 of image and 256 by 256 of the video. So let's change in here, because this file is in this deepfake folder. So just change the directory here, deepfake. Okay, and run it. If your internet connection is slow, then it would take some time, so don't worry if it take a bit of time. Now let's just these are the default output. Okay, so let's run our own. If your video is of a high quality, and then this would take some time. Okay, so have patience and wait for the processing. So look, this is the final output. You can download this video, download on a desktop. Okay, you can also animate it, but it doesn't work that good. So it will take same picture, same video, and try to animate it in another way. So let's just see the output. It looks like the Trump have some problem with his eyes. So I think the last one was far more better than this one. So yeah, so this is the final output. Okay, let me just show you. So if you have a video editor, just copy the sound from the original video, the raw video, and paste it here, then you will have the sound too. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries, ask me in the comment below. I will definitely answer you.
Donald Trump, that's a good cheery ass.